Hello guys, so welcome to Day in a Live video. This is my first episode. I'm just trying new things out. So I'm going to test the iPhone 12 Pro 128 gig battery health 85%. I'm just going to test the battery and the camera later in the day. So I'm just going to use this phone and see how best it takes me throughout the day. Not really throughout, but how best it can take me till I'm done with my routines the whole day. So if you're interested, just sit, relax, and enjoy. Yeah, guys. So it seems I'm getting late and time is fast spent right now. So I just need to work on my hair and start going on. And I forgot one thing, guys. I didn't necessarily charge the phone. I just left it how it was yesterday, 70%. Just wanted to see how far the battery can take us, even if not charged 100%. Yeah. So let's get going. So my first meeting was with Young Ons, an artist based here in New Abrim, and we met to promote his new single, and he has a new video out on YouTube. So we just met to plan on promos and shows coming up a couple of weeks, and I tried the ultra wide with him, and I was so amazed with the turnout, how smooth the panning was and how clear it was. I tried a zoom to this is the first one. And I went all out to times 10, second one, and this is how it turned out. And the quality I think is great. Apple did magic over there. So this is the front camera, 4K, 24 frames per second. Pardon me, guys, there was music playing that time, so due to copyright issues, I just had to do this voiceover, and it was shining outside, so I just reduced the brightness for you to see how it looks in dark places. Yeah, so this is me still trying it, and I think I had 65 battery around 11 a.m. at this time. That's all what I was saying. Just that I had some issues with my microphone there. So yeah, that's it. And I think the battery did do, although I wasn't using it that much. I was just testing camera and all those. So this is me trying to focus on the home button and the charging port, and you can see the background was a bit blurry, and that's a good feature, and that's what almost every filmmaker or smartphone filmmaker is looking for. So yeah, I think that's it. So we had a meeting, just taking some pictures of him and all that, and I think it was cool. We had a cool, we finished with everything, and I really like the portrait though. There's no too much colors, just natural everything. You just need to pop it out with your editing software like Adobe Lightroom and all those stuff. So we are done with the meeting and we are heading on to the next location for an event confirmation coming down this ending. We have to stop by the market to pick up some items. Then we move on to the next location to meet the event organizers. Yeah, so upon arrival at the place, we heard the manager has a meeting with his workers and other staff. So we just had to stay back and wait for him for a while. So I was just testing this is the rear camera on a sunny day, and everything looks bright and colorful here. So this is the ultra wide of the place. I just like the design, everything. Everything looks so natural. I tried a zoom over here too, and I think it's not bad. Yeah. One, two, yes.
So this is a sitting area, just waiting for the manager to come so we can start off our meeting and everything. I was talking about the battery here. I think I had around 57 or 55 here as of 12 p.m. And I think the battery was also performing well alongside the camera testing. So this is the ultra wide 4K 24 frames per second. Yeah. So this is how the place looks. Make sure you follow my guy on YouTube and Instagram. I'll leave the link below. We shot a music video over here too. I'll just link the link below so you watch and enjoy that one too. Yeah, so this is the ultra wide camera pictures of the place, and I think it looks great. It had low light, but everything is visible. This is the wide camera, and I think it also did the magic over here. Raw pictures unedited, and yeah, that's it. We are looking for a taxi to our location, but it seems we need to wait for some minutes before we can head on to the next spot for our next convo. Let me try the zoom on this phone. This is the one 0.5 2. Let's go all the way up to 6. You can zoom up to 6. And I think it's a bit clear, but not that clear. Woo. So while we're waiting for the taxi, I was just trying things out. This is a wide camera of the tree I took pictures of, and I like it. This is also the telephoto lens, and I think it did a great job. Just that I think it was exposed, or because it was very sunny outside that day. And yes, this we going back to our last spot to confirm another event coming up again. So we had like 3 or 5 shows coming up. 57, and it's 1:07 p.m. right now. I think I might pause here and do something about my haircut. And when I get home, continue the vlog. So that's all for today.